Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is out of curiosity. Let's begin. We use the expression out of curiosity to say that we did something or we are doing something because we were or we are interested to know. Example conversation. What happened to your bear, baby? I pulled the thread out of curiosity. Are you mad at me? No, let's fix it. Complete this conversation using the video. Use out of curiosity in your response. Let's try this. I told you to stay in the car. It's dangerous here. Type your answer on the comment section. For tomorrow's expression of the day, we will use come to think of it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your daily expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.